Today, we are bringing it to the floor with this Pilates lower body workout. Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am Deborah. Today, the focus is going to be on our lower body. We're going to work our thighs, our glutes, our core, and our hips. Now, each movement is going to be 45 seconds in duration, and we are going to be doing slow, controlled movements, so that way we can really focus on the mind to body connection so that we can really benefit from each and every move. For every exercise, the straps are going to be on our feet. We're going to be holding the bar. And if anytime you need a little extra resistance, depending upon how your bar is made, they've got some built-in mechanisms where you can put the ropes around the bar and twist them to get extra resistance. I just do the simple, you guys. I just grab onto these little straps right here, hold them close to the bar to get my extra resistance. Now, having said that, you guys, let's get started. All right, everyone. The first exercise is a dead bug. Arms up, legs tabletop, alternating, extending each leg out. And remember to keep your spine engaged and pressed up against the floor. Nice work, you guys. Legs down. Okay, the next one, we are going to do a single leg glute lift. Okay, switch the other side. Take your time. Nice work. Okay, you guys, onto your side. We are going to do leg circle. Okay? Hold the bar. Extra resistance, pull in that rope. And where are those abs, you guys? Make sure you keep them engaged. One more in this direction. Okay. Reverse the rotation. Last one. Nice work. Okay, flip to the other side. And we're going to get the other leg. Last one. Change the rotation. Give me one more. Nice work. All right. Going back to our back. Okay. Alternate left, right leg like a march. Okay, legs down. All right. Next exercise, we are doing some leg circles. Arms up. Legs up. In and out. And bring them, when you come down, bring them as close to the floor that you possibly can, making sure you maintain form to protect that spine. We have really fired up these core muscles, you guys. And of course, having a strong core is fundamental to our posture, stability, balance. Last one. Excellent work, you guys. Put that bar down. High five. If you've got more time, more energy, you guys, press replay on this workout and please do incorporate it into your weekly routine. Your body is definitely going to benefit from it. I'm telling you, just those few exercises, okay, my body feels stronger. I'm telling you, so simple, but yet so effective. Again, because we did slow, controlled movements, we really had the opportunity to take our time and focus on each and every move so that we can get the full benefit of each and every one. So leave in the comments, let me know where you're joining me from and how you like this workout, and if you in fact want to see more just like this. I'm here for it, you guys. And as always, remember, exercise is only part of the equation. Remember to keep hydrated throughout the day and also eat high protein, nutrient-rich foods. If you need some suggestions, I cook as well. I've got some links in the description for some recipes that you can definitely try out. They are delicious, simple, easy, healthy. And again, those of us where time is a factor, that will be time well spent, I promise you. So you guys, without further ado, thank you all so very much for joining us. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And please remember to hit that subscribe button below if you want to be a part of this community and live our best life. Thanks, you guys, and I'll see you soon.